On this vote, the yeas are 51, the noes are 49. The motion is agreed to.
By a narrow margin, the Senate moved to a final debate and vote on the Kavanaugh nomination, led by Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell.
Today we can send a message to the American people that some core principles remain unfettered by the partisan passions of this moment. Facts matter. Fairness matters. The presumption of innocence is sacrosanct.
All but one of the Senate's 52 Republicans supported Kavanaugh on the procedural vote, including last-minute decider Susan Collins of Maine.
We must always remember that it is when passions are most inflamed that fairness is most in jeopardy.
At the White House, spokeswoman Sarah Sanders was upbeat.
I think he has been through, like I said, more than any other nominee in history. And I think once that vote is confirmed, we should be able to move forward, hopefully come together as a country.
There were more anti-Kavanaugh protests during the vote Friday, and Democrats, with one exception, opposed him, including Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer.
Let them look back on this chapter as the shameful culmination of the scorched earth politics practiced by the hard right in America. People who will stop at nothing to entrench an advantage on our nation's courts.
Kavanaugh's nomination ran into trouble after an allegation of sexual assault by California professor Christine Blasey Ford. Both Kavanaugh and Ford testified at an emotional Senate hearing last week where Kavanaugh denied the allegation. Other women also came forward alleging sexual assault, which he also denied. But Kavanaugh's aggressive defense did not sit well with Democrats like Senator Dianne Feinstein.
Judges are expected to be, quote, even-handed, unbiased, impartial, and courteous, end quote. However, at the hearing last week, we saw a man filled with anger and aggression.
Kavanaugh's confirmation would give the Trump White House a major political victory. It would also solidify a conservative majority on the 9-member High Court for the foreseeable future. Jim Malone, VOA News, Washington.